Intense rainfall caused severe flooding in New York, sending water gushing into a subway train platform. An eyewitness video showed floodwaters surging onto the platform of 28th Street station as passengers watched from inside a train car. The Metropolitan Transportation Authority said New York City subway service was experiencing severe delays due to stations flooding. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy declared a state of emergency due to flash flooding and heavy rainfall, advising people to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel. According to local media, a flash flood warning was in effect in New York City. A flood watch was also issued for much of the tri-state area and was in effect until at least midnight. Bureau Report, India Today.